Okay, so we're right now here in the mountains in Fikardou, I think it was, and eating a little bit of breakfast before we are gonna explore the village here in this area. Wow, it's so narrow. The little... Okay, so we're exploring the city right now. I have a little oven here with cats and babies inside, and the old houses are built by the villagers from a long time ago, and it's pretty epic. I don't know what this room is, but I think it's like an everyday room slash bedroom maybe. Like this. Okay, so this is definitely some kind of bedroom. I have basically a better bed than I do. So it's pretty cool. It's just awesome how people lived like this before in this little town or village.
So little but give so much love. Yeah.
Right now we're at the Monastery of Cyprus, one of the bigger ones, and I'm gonna ask the high priest if I can use my drone here. So let's see if we can. Okay, so sadly there was no drone footage from the monastery because there was an accident, but I will get some footage of this beautiful city right here. So while we're visiting this little town, we're gonna go into this silver shop. There is handmade stuff. So let's gonna have a look inside. In here we have many beautiful things. Everything you can think of. A lot of silverware. Oh. Ooh. We ended up in a donkey farm for some reason and ate some halloumi. I don't want to show the donkeys because it's pretty sad, you know, about some donkeys being ridden and stuff. But the food was really good. And we will be going home in about half an hour, I think. But I will show you a little bit of the area. Okay, we're back from villages and tour. It was such an amazing day and I got to explore so much. And we got to the monastery
Sadly, I couldn't get any more footage than I actually did, and it was basically nothing. We couldn't film inside so much because it's not allowed, and outside I was able to get my drone up, but there was an incident because one of the people that was on the bus with us fainted. She's well, everything went good, but I felt like it's a bit disrespectful to get my drone up. Like, yeah, I'm gonna ask the priest now, like, can I fly my drone at this time? So I didn't get more footage. Maybe someday in the future. That was about the monastery, but it was so nice. And we got these rags on because you are not allowed to show any skin. And we come in and it's so beautiful inside, all the golden things and all the paintings. And it's just a beautiful place that you just have to see with your own eyes. And then we went to the city, as I told you, Lefkara, and there we could see the silver shop, which was really nice. My friends, they got a good price because we work, and they got to change the earrings they had for a long time. So that was really nice experience. I got to actually fly my drone in there at the city. And then in the end, we went to this donkey farm. So they made cheese and everything from donkeys, and they took really good care of the donkeys and everything. So there's no abuse. I still didn't want to get anything on camera because it feels like it's a bit, you never know. But still, I enjoyed my experience there. We got to try halloumi. They made their own halloumi right there. We got to try it. It was amazing. And then when we had eaten the halloumi, we got actual lunch at this place, and that was the end of the trip. And then it was around at least 2 hours of driving back to the hotels and dropping everything off, and now we're here. I would just like to thank you for everything. Yeah.
A few moments later.
Okay, so just what I was gonna say before the door started knocking is thank you so much for watching the video. And if you want to know more about traveling or anything about lifestyle related or anything about Cyprus in general, just hit the thumbs up, comment down below, and consider subscribing. I'll see you next time.